everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my cooking channel Taboo Foodies. My today's recipe is chocolate cookies. So when it comes to my favorite cookies, these chewy, fudgy chocolate bites are always on top of my list. Made with oats and whole wheat flour, there is no egg, no refined sugar, and the best part is you can make them without oven. These are definitely a treat. You can enjoy them as it is or with your chai or coffee like I do. So let's get started. If you like, you can use any peanut butter or almond butter. I'm using my homemade peanut butter here. You can check out the recipe on my channel. You can make this recipe vegan by using coconut oil instead of ghee. To make oat flour, just grind your regular oats in a mixer. For chocolate chunks, I'm using Amul's 55% dark chocolate. You just need to cut it into small pieces. And your chocolate cookies are ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this easy peasy chocolate cookie recipe and let me know in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon and keep watching for more amazing recipes with a healthy twist. Till then, take care. I'll see you next time.